I am going to keep this intro short because I can hear the truck pulling up right now. And I got a little bit of candy for you guys today. Let's check it out. We got a sled coming that you might recognize. Richard from Altitude Power Sports has brought us something special today that we're going to be collaborating on. Well, I don't know, man. That looks like most of a snowmobile to me.
Well, there's some of it still. We gotta get the cover off, see what else is
Once
there.
we get the cover off, then we'll see what kind of carnage we have.
Once we get the cover off, yeah.
Man, I barely remember what this thing's going to look like.
Oh, who knows?
I'm just waiting for you to take. I'm just waiting for you to take the wrapper off of it.
Cover's coming off. See the rodeo.
Oh, that's ugly. Yeah, there's some chassis stuff in there for sure, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. This is the ugly side.
That's the really ugly part.
That's the business end of it.
That's the business.
Wow, man. That is utter destruction. Don't worry, I'll give you. You don't hurt yourself any worse than you already are.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I'll help you out with this. This is the first time I've got to see this thing up close.
Same with me.
You too, I guess so, since the whole thing unraveled for you, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So last time I seen it, it was looking at a helicopter.
No kidding, man. That's crazy.
Yeah. December 2022 rodeo.
Yeah.
So that's the damage you do on a full boost hit.
No kidding. So that's how much fun it is to go full boost into a tree.
I think they call that full send.
That's a full send.
That's
Yeah,
a full send.
that would be a full send.
That's a full send, my friend.
I can't believe how far back that damage just propagated.
Yeah, like I mean, you know, that diameter of that tree and how big it was looking up vertical.
Yeah.
It snapped a 15-foot chunk off the top.
Holy crap, man.
So it was a pretty big hit.
That is some gumption.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see where the A-arm hugged it. Yep. Now that's a tree. That tree's too big to hit. Don't hit those ones. Yeah, just find a spot and just start piling parts in. And the plastics in the hood too is in one piece?
Yeah, the hood's in one
That's
piece.
nuts.
Couple scratches.
You can do a whole chassis in and not break any of the plastic. That is crazy, man. Check it out, you guys. We got the old Muskoka mobile. Beautiful. So what's your plan with this thing?
Well, I think we're gonna rip her down and just see kind of what's what. Really dig into it and see what how bad the bad is. I think that's the best way to put it.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
So,
Looks bad.
yeah, it looks pretty bad. It's a pretty hard hit.
Not gonna lie, it looks bad.
Yeah. I mean,
Wow.
I'm in one piece. The sled, not so much one piece.
That's important.
yeah.
That's important that you come back one piece.
That's right.
It's okay if I drop it right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I think there's so much force from the explosion that it kind of blew everything right off.
Everything just blew off.
Blew off.
There we go.
There you go.
Oh, watch out, camera. Go through and find all the good parts, huh? Yeah, it doesn't look nearly as bad on this side. How's everything going up here?
Pretty good. A couple connectors unplugged and a few other things.
Finding some usable parts?
Lots of usable parts. Airbox all in one piece. ECU's good. Switches. None of the upper stuff got even touched at all.
She came back a long way, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty. It's pretty far back there.
Wow.
Looking pretty good here. Take that off. Pull that off. Yeah,
That's not too bad, huh?
Yeah, it's just a
New
just a bend in the shaft. New
Doesn't
shaft
seem to be
replacement.
pouring out of the seal or nothing.
No.
Good. There it goes. Yeah, I didn't even have to take this out to remove the bolt.
No.
It was nice.
Probably just gonna fall right out of there once we.
What are we taking out? Steering? That looks like a steering
Just
brace.
a random brace in here.
We don't know. We're just
Bulkhead
taking stuff
piece.
apart. We don't know what we're taking out.
Oh, this bolt's good. Look at that, eh?
Let go. There we go. There's your skid plate. Is it in one piece?
It's all in one piece.
That,
Look at this nice logo we got here.
it's still on there.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't know if we're gonna learn anything new just yet. Everything looks bent.
The pipe is still sprung on.
Oh, the springs are still holding it?
Yeah. Wow.
I can barely even see in there. There's so much other just stuff in the way that's all piled in right in front of it.
Just stuff.
Yeah, well, I mean, now it's just stuff. They were parts at one time. Now it's just stuff.
Yeah, we'll just call it stuff.
Yeah.
This pipe out of here.
Yeah, I got the pipe out of there. Still good. Oh, I saw sparks on that one. Those things are a little overextended, huh?
A little bit. A little bit.
It's your sled. Bend her up. Not gonna be making nothing any worse. Yeah, there we go. No more chassis in the way.
Out of the way here. She down.
That's that. There. Look at. Oh yeah. That's what we were fighting.
Smushy.
Yep. Gently used.
Oh.
Polaris 850 turbo pipe.
Gently used. Again, gently modified.
A little modified.
little modified.
That's nuts, man. It just bent everywhere.
Hey, one exhaust spring good.
Oh yeah, you still use that one. Now we can see some stuff.
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't have to take out the bolts on the bottom. They come out with the chassis. Oh, you need a. Oh, you got it. There you go.
Like a puzzle. Carnage puzzle. Oh.
Or you could hit it.
Now look at that backwards bumper. That thing really took it. It's still
That thing.
almost all there.
It's a good bumper. I mean, that's what I got sitting on the front of the Alpha over here. What do we got happening?
What do we got left?
I think the chassis is broken in a couple spots.
Modified.
Okay, everything's modified today. That's right.
To do that kind of damage, like it's as if the pipe came off and then jammed itself back on in an instant.
I can't believe that.
That's full boost. The pipe was extended and then
Oh yeah, it came smacking back down.
just taking a look at both running boards, like this one sheared off right here
I can't believe how far back that damage got.
and the other side is broken too.
We're peeling into this thing. Like it's getting to be pretty stripped down. We're gonna get off with the fuel tank next, and we're gonna have a look right in here. And I think I can already see an issue right there too. This is not how I really remembered my first, wanted to remember, I guess, my first time wrenching on one of these.
Oh, look at that.
I can't believe that, man.
Pieces.
The whole chassis, yeah, just got frayed a little bit there. The whole thing, wow. So what's good?
Motor's
Motor's
really
good.
Turbo's
Yeah.
really good. Electrical, nothing got pinched.
Got some good
Cooling
clutches.
system's all intact. Nothing got burst or broken.
Skid's good, isn't it?
Yeah, skid, braking system, rails, all that stuff is really good shape.
Yeah, we even got Ice Age rails on this thing.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of. There's lots of good and there's definitely some bad.
This thing does not even look like a snowmobile sitting there like that.
No, not right now.
This isn't supposed to be a back this way, I'm gonna say.
No, it should be flat.
Yeah. Yeah, everything is definitely pushed back.
Because this all unbolts, there's no damage on there whatsoever.
Yeah, it was just that one motor mount that scared me a little bit. Seeing
the case is still good. So.
Yeah, the case is still there.
Yeah, everything's good. Motor turns over nice too. I don't know how many pictures I sent you.
Most everything you sent me was from the chopper ride.
Yeah, from the chopper ride,
yeah.
not from the actual thing.
The parts graveyard is starting.
Yeah.
There's more. We'll lay them out all nicely here soon.
Yeah.
After we do a little more work, we just want to take off the skid plate on this side. Do a little more inspecting. All right, sorry. I was thinking about the well-being of the sled, tying it up and rigging it properly. I guess I'm just old-fashioned that way.
I mean, as long as it doesn't fall on us.
Don't wreck the sled, Matt.
Yeah, don't wreck the sled, Matt. The damage with it is a very new thing.
Beautiful. And we are gutted. So we can now see the full extent of the damage because we can see the entire chassis now. Guess what? We got cracks over here too.
Doesn't fall off, we can slide it out.
Okay, I'm doing my best here as a mechanic. Trying here. Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't look quite right. And it's like every time we're done taking his part, it's like, we'll just go a little further.
Take a little more
We'll
out of here,
just go a little further. See what else is wrong with it. I don't have the right clutch puller for this today though.
Yeah, we'll have to get that figured out.
What do you see in there?
Well, I'm seeing that there's a mount still on this side where there's not one on the other side. But yeah, it's too bad this side of the bulkhead got it too, but it just is what it is.
Yeah. I didn't realize when you said both halves of the bulkhead that it came in halves that way.
Yeah, it actually comes in half.
Yeah.
You can actually buy a left and a right half.
I didn't realize that. I thought it was like, front and rear half.
Yeah, no, it's a left and right half, and then all this glue, players use this aviation glue. You can kind of see it, throughout the chassis.
Yeah, it's in a bunch of spots. None of the spots I'm looking at. There it is.
Yeah, you can heat that and then pull the pieces off. But
yeah. That was like that in one point in time.
At one point in time,
yeah.
Where's that glue?
Glue it back together. That's the thing, is we just take glue.
We just take the glue.
Follow Polaris' lead.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know, dude. We're going to have to look at the parts diagram.
Is this it? Oh, no, that's connected to that. Yeah.
Is that it? Oh, no, that's...
we're going to need a microfiche here. Where's the parts in this thing?
Different piece of chassis.
Different chunk.
All right.
Oh, there's a rivet. There's one rivet in there.
Hold on. We got chassis on this one, too.
Oh, okay, well.
We got lots of chassis.
Cut those rivets off.
Why don't, before you gotta go through the parts for us here?
Oh, how much parts?
Yeah, let's just look and see the damage here. Let's just go identify the parts and see what we got.
Definitely upper A arm on the left, lower A arm on the left. I think this upper is made it. I definitely know this lower did not. So that's right hand side. Spindles are both good. Skis are both good. All of the plastics, I cannot believe.
Somehow made it.
Even the nose cone with a little bit of heat, none of the tabs are ripped. Everything is good. I don't understand how. Both steering boots are ripped, but I'm not sure if they were ripped before. But anything that was cast aluminum just absolutely exploded.
Yeah, that's this stuff.
So
there's a chassis part. There's a chassis part. There's got chassis parts.
Lots of chassis parts. So, and all that stuff is in pretty bad shape. I still can't believe how good that backwards bumper did. Like, even though it's absolutely mangled, it's still in really good shape.
It's still there.
For how hard it hit.
No kidding.
So.
Not too bad of a carnage field, huh?
Not too bad.
And then what do we got for damage here? So, we have the entire bulkhead.
Yeah, we've decided it's the entire bulkhead. There's absolutely nothing worth saving.
We're not doing halves.
Cooler looks really good. We need to straighten a little bit of the actual tunnel once it's apart. These ends that are on this actual running board, I'm not sure if you can buy these separately or we have to replace the boards. If we do aftermarket ones. Really happy about the motor. Nothing on the motor. Everything looks good. Drive shaft looks fairly straight. Jack shaft looks fairly straight. They'll both get run up.
Yeah, the jack shaft was still turning when we took it out.
Yeah. And we'll put those both with dial indicators and make sure everything is good.
Exhaust needs a little work.
Yeah, exhaust got it pretty hard.
But the turbo survived.
Turbo isn't really, it's absolutely pristine. So that was really good. Motor turns over nice and smooth. So that was a big benefit. Like, we have no issues with the motor. Electrical got really unscathed. We have the box and the relays that came out of it. Steering straight. Yeah, we've
got a project.
We ripped her down pretty good. We got a project, but at the same time, it's a lot. It could have been a lot worse. Could have been a bit better. But when you have that kind of rodeo, that's what you get.
Yep.
So.
Well, you didn't hit the tree, so that's important to me.
Yeah, not hitting the tree. Yeah,
The sled hit the tree.
The sled this way, not in the tree. So that's good.
But you didn't, so that's a good thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Overstructure is in good shape too. Front overstructure's got a little bit of bend in it, but that can easily be replaced. So.
Well, now all we got to do is figure out what to do with it.
Yeah, that's the next step.
That's next step. Okay, guys, that is going to wrap up this video there. We're going to figure out as a crew, as a team here with APS, what we're going to do with this sled here. You can join us in the journey of the old Muskoka Mobile here and see exactly what happens to it. But until then, that's it. I'm going to end this video there. That's a womp it. See you in the next one. I can't even end a video without laughing saying that.